has endorsed that product? Have you seen? That's not me. Who has used my image and how? Looks scary, na? So congratulations, you have entered into the world of AI, or AI has entered into your personal world. In a world where AI can mimic anyone, your identity can be stolen in a click. Your own face could start advertising things you never approved. Your image, your voice get hijacked within seconds. In today's world, identity is the new battleground which needs to be secured, protected and nurtured. Recently, some of India's biggest celebrities like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Karan Johar, Telugu superstar Nagarjuna Akkineni, Sri Ravi Shankar and Asha Bhosle approached the High Court against online misuse of their name, images through deep fake and other digital manipulation. One such popular YouTube channel titled AI Bollywood Ishq, showing an AI animation of Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai with some sexually explicit content. After report of Reuters, finally it has been deleted from the YouTube account. When websites misuse your identity, remember, the law gives you the power to say stop now, because it's about your personality rights. The legal right to control the commercial use of your identity, including your image, name, likeness, voice, or even unique expressions. It has two facets. First, violation of their right to protect their personal attributes from being commercially exploited, and second, violation of their right to privacy, which in turn leads to undermining their right to live with dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution. Personality rights in India are not codified in a single statute, but are grounded in a common law doctrines of privacy, defamation and publicity rights, and reinforced through the judicial precedents. Although intellectual property laws like the Copyright Act grants performers exclusive rights and allowing them to control how their performances are reproduced, and the Trademark Act permits individuals, particularly celebrities, to register distinctive attributes of their person such as name, signature or even catchphrases as trademarks. Interestingly, actors such as Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Ajay Devgan and Amitabh Bachchan have registered their names as trademarks. Yes, the jurisprudence on personality rights in India traces its origin to the 1994 judgment in R. Rajgopal versus State of Tamil Nadu, where a magazine sought to publish the autobiography of Otto Shankar, a death row convict, recounting details of his private life and alleged links with the state officials. The government moved to restrain the publication on grounds of privacy and defamation. The Supreme Court recognized that individuals possess a legitimate interest in controlling the use of their identity, grounding this protection in the constitutional right to privacy. 2 decades later, the Madras High Court crystallized the emerging doctrine in a case involving actor Rajinikanth. The lawsuit filed against the producer of the film Main Hoon Rajinikanth, alleging misuse of the actor's name, image and his distinctive style of delivering dialogues. In 2023, the Delhi High Court granted actor Anil Kapoor wide-ranging protection over his personality rights, restraining 16 online entities from exploiting his name, image, voice, likeness or his catchphrase Jhakaas, which he popularized in films. A few months later, the Bombay High Court delivered a significant ruling in favor of singer Arijit Singh, who made allegations that a company has used AI tools to create artificial recordings of his voice. The court reiterated that the singer's name, voice, image, likeness, persona, and other traits are protected under his personality rights. Expressing concern over the risk of generative AI, Justice Chagla observed, "What shocked the conscience of this court is the manner in which celebrities, particularly performers, are vulnerable to being targeted by unauthorized generative AI content." On the other hand, critics argue that the expensive protection of personality rights could stifle free expression under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution, which includes the creative freedom to criticize the public figures. However, Indian courts have repeatedly affirmed that this right is not absolute and must be balanced against an individual's dignity and autonomy. The growing number of such petitions shows how urgent this issue is in the age of AI and digital media. A comprehensive legislative framework is the need of the hour to ensure that the enforcement of such right is not reliant on judicial precedents in the absence of a regulatory regime. Responses remain fragmented. Further, personality rights are not the exclusive privilege of celebrities, since all individuals enjoy the right to privacy. Ordinary citizens, especially women, are increasingly targeted through deep fakes and revenge pornography. Laws must be tailor-made to address this disproportionate impact on women, because now it's no more a battle on privacy, but also about survival. So stop exploitation, seek relief, restrain misuse, because your personality rights matter.